Hello dear tutor. My name is Lisa Natalia Marin. I share the answer of Speak and Improve Part 3. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? I consider that the advantages are first, you will have an additional income gain, work experience, and a great opportunity to put into practice what you are studying. What are the disadvantages? I consider that the disadvantages are first, it takes away important study time. It can increase tension or stress. What is your opinion? In my opinion, I think that a job is very important when you are studying, and it is better if it is part-time so that you can have a good performance and complete your studies satisfactorily. In this way, manage time correctly. Thank you so much.